Picture this. You're scrolling through your feed, and suddenly, an eye-catching animation pops up. You wonder, how do people even make these? In this video, I will teach you secret ways to create these type animation using only Canva. Let's start the video. First, we will start with a basic. That is by creating new video project. Now on the left side you will see Elements tab. On the Elements tab, search for your object. Let me search for my background. Now let me search for my character. But before that, then click on this three dot and filter animated only. This way you will only see animated object. Let me select this. Click on this animate button, then click on this bee icon. Now slowly move the object. Select movement style to smooth or steady. And there you have it, a simple animation. Now this time we will animate the background. We will search for background image. And use the same character. Now this time we will select the background, then click on animate. And you will have a nice background moving animation. Let me teach one simple animation where we will just play with the background and animated image. Adjust the background. Then we will search for animated image. If you want, you can also change the color of the image. Now add one more character. Finally, the car animation. Search for background of your choice. Then an animated car. After, position it. Duplicate the page. Then drag the image. And drag the car. Now for animation, add transition to the video. And you will have a moving car video. Hope you enjoyed my video and learned something new.